for joining us today. I am with the very fabulous homeowner of this amazingly beautiful home here in Grand Prairie, Mira, and we're going to show you this home together.
Let's go.
After you.
Okay. Welcome inside my home.
Thank you. This is beautiful. Thank you. I already know a few things about your home, and I know how lovely it is, but I really want you to take me on a tour.
Okay.
Show me what you love about your home.
And I can do that.
Thank you. I know a few things about your home.
Okay, let me know.
All right. Well, as I remember, there's 5 bedrooms.
Yes.
A second master suite on the second level.
Yes, it is.
All right. 4 full baths.
Yes.
Okay. Listen, I know you've got tons to show me. Can you please show me around?
Let's go.
All right.
So in the dining room, one of the things I love about my former dining room is the ceilings and then the crown molding from ceiling to floor. Here's the living room.
Spacious.
Yes, it is.
Love the view.
So in this living space, what I love about it is that I'm able to cook and also entertain at the same time. And it's very spacious in here.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
And you have a lot of furniture, large furniture, so that's... So in case you all are wondering why I am shoeless, it's because we have respect for the homeowner. The homeowner prefers that she maintains the sanitation of her home and her children. And so we're shoeless today. Okay. Now listen, as we're walking, I'm noticing this flooring is absolutely gorgeous. And it seems to be carried throughout.
Yes, it is, and it's leading you to my most favorite spot in the home, which is my master bedroom and my bathroom. So here's my sanctuary. Ta-da!
Oh, this is a ta-da moment.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
Look how spacious it is. It's just, I love it.
It's beautiful. It seems fit for a queen, seriously. And I think I found my favorite spot.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know how much you could tell me about this room that I can't already see for myself, but let's do it.
So what I like about this room is the crown molding on the walls and the vaulted ceilings.
Very nice. And I noticed that your bed is pretty large. What size bed is this?
King!
Much fun being here with you.
I'm so glad.
Thank you. You know what's next, right?
Yes.
I can't wait to see this bathroom. And I've seen and heard about this tub.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Come on.
Here we go. Look at my tub, my 6-foot tub.
Well, it's gonna be someone else's, but it's gonna be mine right now. Get off me, girl. Hope you don't mind that I take over your tub.
No, you look so comfortable. How does it feel?
It's amazing. Can you show me around the rest while I enjoy this?
Yes, of course. And even if you're not a tub person, you're a shower person, this shower is so spacious.
Now I want you to show me where you can go upstairs.
Come on.
I can't wait to see it. Pre-wired for projection.
Yes.
Your wall appears to be able to accommodate maybe 120 or so.
Yes.
This is awesome. I want popcorn, but I know you got something else to show me.
Yes, I do.
Ooh.
I had a feeling I lost you.
I already found it. I'm sorry. This is amazing.
Yes. Now, how does it feel to be out here?
There are no words.
Just tell you about this community. Can you hear this?
No.
Exactly. It is so quiet. It is so quiet. I just love it.
Very peaceful. Your home is only
Yes.
fairly new. Why are you moving?
Because I'm moving out of state. I got a new assignment and I have to move out of state. No. baby.
Now you all know. That was really nice. Thank you
Yes.
again. So listen, your HOA is less than $600 annually, right?
Yes,
What
3
are they?
pools, state-of-the-art gym, hiking trails.
I know, I saw that.
Yes. In my home, I really appreciate it.
No, I really enjoy being here.
And I want you guys to come out and check us out.
They will. And I believe that there's so much more that we
Yes.
didn't go over that I can't wait. Hey, so I hope you've enjoyed viewing this home with me as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you. Now remember, I'm Love, Picou with Love and Real Estate. We want you to come out and see this home. And if you'd like a private tour, contact me.